Welcome to Grouppies. In the video we're going to talk about Iceland. The Blue Lagoon, located in Iceland, is a geothermal spa renowned for its stunning azure waters and striking volcanic surroundings. Fed by mineral-rich, naturally heated seawater, the lagoon offers a unique and rejuvenating bathing experience. Visitors from around the world flock to this iconic destination to unwind in the warm, soothing waters while taking in the surreal landscape of lava fields and steamy geothermal vents. With its ethereal beauty and health benefits, the Blue Lagoon stands as a testament to Iceland's natural wonders. Unbelievable. Witness the majestic power of Gullfoss waterfall in Iceland, nature's roar at its finest. Prepare to be amazed by this jaw-dropping wonder. Water-wave collision. Don't miss out on this breathtaking spectacle. Being one of the highlights of the famous Golden Circle, it is undeniably the most visited falls in the whole of Iceland. Gullfoss, which is often accompanied by a beautiful rainbow, is also listed as one of the world's top 10 waterfalls by the World of Waterfalls. Geysir, located in the heart of Iceland, is a mesmerizing natural wonder that showcases the Earth's raw power. This geothermal area is home to a collection of hot springs and bubbling pools, with the iconic Strákar Geyser stealing the show as it erupts with impressive force every few minutes. Witnessing the hot water shooting skyward against the backdrop of Iceland's dramatic landscape is an unforgettable experience, making Geysir a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring this captivating island. Thingvellir National Park in Iceland is a place of immense historical and geological significance. As the site of the world's oldest parliament, the Alþingi, established in 930 AD, it holds a special place in Icelandic culture and governance. Beyond its historical importance, Thingvellir also boasts a stunning natural landscape, characterized by a dramatic rift valley formed by the shifting tectonic plates of North America and Eurasia. Reykjavik, the vibrant capital city of Iceland, is a captivating blend of rich cultural heritage and modern dynamism. Set against a backdrop of rugged natural beauty, Reykjavik offers a unique urban experience surrounded by stunning landscapes. From the iconic Hallgrímskirkja church to the lively streets of Laugaveggur, the city is a hub of art, music, and culinary delights. Its proximity to geothermal wonders, like the Blue Lagoon and the Golden Circle, adds an adventurous edge to this cosmopolitan gem. With a warm and welcoming atmosphere, Reykjavik invites visitors to explore its charming streets and discover the heart and soul of Iceland. Seljalandsfoss, located in the enchanting landscapes of Iceland, is a waterfall like no other. What sets it apart is the unique opportunity it offers, a chance to walk behind the cascading water curtain and experience the falls from a truly immersive perspective. Surrounded by lush greenery and nestled amidst Iceland's picturesque countryside, Seljalandsfoss is a testament to nature's awe-inspiring beauty. The roar of the water and the mist in the air create a sensory experience that is both exhilarating and serene. This iconic waterfall is a must-visit for anyone exploring the wonders of Iceland. Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon in Iceland is a surreal world of icy wonders. Glacial blue icebergs float majestically in the tranquil, crystal-clear waters, creating a mesmerizing tableau of nature's grandeur. Situated at the foot of Vatnajokull, Europe's largest glacier, this lagoon is a testament to the dynamic forces shaping our planet. The ever-changing landscape and the ethereal glow of the icebergs under the Arctic sun make Jokulsarlon a photographer's paradise and a must-see destination for those seeking the true essence of Iceland's otherworldly beauty. Vatnajokull National Park in Iceland is a colossal expanse of natural wonders, encompassing Europe's largest glacier, Vatnajokull, and a diverse range of awe-inspiring landscapes. Towering ice caps, thundering waterfalls, volcanic peaks, and tranquil fjords all find their home within this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park offers a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for glacier hiking, ice cave exploration, and epic hiking trails. Its dramatic vistas and ever-changing terrain make Vatnajokull National Park an absolute must-visit for those seeking the raw, untamed beauty of Iceland's wilderness.
Get ready, make planning your next group trip easy. Plan it with Grouppii.